Binaro. So I have this 2002 GMC Yukon Binaro, and it's just sound, squeaking sound. So I was, hoping, I don't know exactly what happened, maybe the belt or something, Serpentine belt. So you can hear the sound. I don't know if that's the belt, but it's not that hard to get and replace. I have my brand new here, and I have this one for AC belt, so I just have to replace it too. I just have to remove this one and this one here. So there are 4 fasteners there, one there and one there, and the same thing on this side, and this one, this one here too. So this one, you don't have to remove this hose. What I'll do, I have this thing here, just want to hold it. Fully. And now so remove this one here. Still have to remove. So I removed already pipes, so I just have to remove this one, and there are 2 here, 2 bolts. The other one is missing, and remove this one here. So I'm not a mechanic, I'm not a certified mechanic, okay? I just want to let you know, because some comments said that I don't know anything, but I'm just saying there that I want to save money. That's why I don't go to a mechanic, and also I said that I'm not a certified mechanic. So if you comment something like that, and then I said I'm not a mechanic, I'm just trying to save money, and then you're saying that I don't know anything, then I have how many videos there if I don't do anything? So maybe I didn't accomplish any one of the videos. So everything is false. That everything that I did on so many videos I made, so it's not true then, because a guy is saying I don't know anything. So I don't know if you guys disagree or agree, but for me, like I said, I want to save money. I'm not a certified mechanic. So if you know that I don't know what I'm doing, see, don't watch my video then, right? But I really appreciate for those people who appreciate of saving money and doing their own DIY thing. I'm not trying to prove anything that I'm good. No, I'm not. So that's all I want to comment. So I just have to remove this one. Okay. And after that, I'm ready to replace the serpentine belt and the AC belt. So that's the serpentine belt. So this is my pulley. This is my tensioner. I want to use my 15 millimeter. This one here, like that, see, it's 15 millimeter. All I got to do, just see this one. Now I'll be okay. But before that, see the serpentine belt guide, it's kinda fade. So what I'll do, I wanna make sure that I'm doing the right way. Once I put the new belt, so it's kinda easy to remember actually. So just go here, underneath here, tensioner, and going to alternator, and going there, and down there by the EC. See, I don't see any AC belt there. See that? When I bought this one, nobody told me. The guy didn't tell me about AC. He said AC is working, but I tried. It kind of worked, but I don't hear any sound. But so I got the new belt installed. Okay. So it's a V1. That's the reason why this one is making, it's still brand new, I can see, but I think when I bought this, he got it from the dealer or something, I don't know. But as you can see, this is the Goodyear serpentine belt. The groove is not like as the same as the other one. Just I'll show you this the different one. Look at the groove there with the new one I installed. This thing, it looks, I don't know, maybe that's, I heard about, or I read in Amazon that it's making noise, so they have to replace it with that V groove. So this one is totally different. As you can see here, see? So this one is just very, look at the line, it's different, really exactly to the, see, this one is not. So hopefully this will work. And like I said, it was making a noise, so yeah, so that's it. I will, but you know, I'll let you listen. I will start and let you listen. If it's still making a noise, then if it's still making a noise, then something wrong, not the belt itself. Okay, see that brand new serpentine belt that I installed, like I showed you already, this one has a V-groove. So if you can hear, I don't hear any sound. Like, I'm sure that was the belt because of, right? So I don't hear anything. different sound I hear it. So it's not right, a different sound. As you can hear, there's some sound, but that's not the belt. So alright, so thank you very much. That's all I can say. Thank you for supporting my Vince Fix Auto YouTube channel, and I'll see you again next time. 2002 GMC Denali.